places Clinton at the center of the universe. You won't want to miss it.
All we need is a fighting chance to show what we can do in every part of life.
Hillary Clinton continuing to keep the door wide open to a run for president in 2016. And we're back now with the panel. Well, as we mentioned in the tease to the last commercial, the New York Times has an interesting cover out today, and please check it out. Yep, Planet Hillary, it says, with a variety of political factors and factions being held together by her gravitational pull. George, what do you make of it as art, and what do you make of it as political commentary?
Bad, both. Is she going to run? Fish got to swim, birds got to fly, and Clintons have to run for office. It's what they do. It's a metabolic urge. That's all they've done in their entire adult life, is borrow money from rich people to seek public office. And I think that will continue. And the New York Times article is a guide to this. The problem is, nothing is more annoying to voters and infuriating to activists than a candidate that comes cloaked in an aura of inevitability. Because it says, in effect, you really don't matter. This is a foregone conclusion. And their inclination is to say, well, we'll just see about that. The context she will be running in 2016 is, first, toward the end of a lost decade of slow economic growth. B, in 2016, we will have had 3 consecutive two-term presidencies. The last time we had that, and the only other time we had that, was Jefferson, Madison, and Monroe before the two-party system emerged. We've had a period of uncommon stability in the presidency, and that makes it even less likely that we're going to give a third term to the same party.